On the night of September 7th, 2025, the world will witness one of the most spectacular celestial events, a total lunar eclipse, also known as a blood moon. For millions of people across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Europe, the sky will transform into a breathtaking display of cosmic beauty. 1. What is a lunar eclipse? Narrator. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow over the Moon. Unlike a solar eclipse, which can only be seen from specific locations, a lunar eclipse is visible to anyone on the nighttime side of the Earth. Narrator. During a total lunar eclipse, the Moon does not completely disappear. Instead, it turns a deep reddish color. This happens because Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight around the planet and filters out blue light, leaving behind the red hues that reach the lunar surface. That's why we often call it the blood moon. 1. Timing of the eclipse. September 7th, 2025. Narrator. This eclipse will last for more than 3 hours in total, with the fully red blood moon phase lasting about 82 minutes. In India, the eclipse begins at 9:58 p.m. IST, reaches maximum totality at 11:41 p.m., and ends by 1:27 a.m. In the United Arab Emirates, the red moon will dominate the sky around local midnight. In Africa and Europe, parts of the eclipse will also be visible, depending on the location. Narrator. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and prepare to witness this rare night sky spectacle. 1. Why is the moon red? The science behind it. Narrator. The moon appears red because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, the same effect that makes sunsets look red on Earth. As sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, shorter wavelengths like blue are scattered, while red and orange travel further. This bent red light reaches the moon, painting it in shades from copper to blood red. 1. Cultural and historical significance. Narrator. Throughout history, lunar eclipses were seen as mysterious omens. Ancient civilizations believed they were warnings from the gods, signs of war, or symbols of change. In some cultures, a red moon was linked to prophecy and destiny. In others, it symbolized rebirth and renewal. Today, while we understand the science, many people still view a blood moon as a moment of awe and reflection. 1. How to watch safely. Narrator. One of the best things about a lunar eclipse is that it's completely safe to watch with the naked eye. Unlike solar eclipses, you don't need protective glasses. Here are some tips to enjoy it. 1. Find a spot away from city lights for the clearest view. 2. Use binoculars or a telescope to see more detail. 3. Take photos. Even a smartphone can capture the blood moon with the right settings. 4. Watch with friends or family and make it a memorable night. 5. Why this eclipse matters. Narrator. The September 7th, 2025 total lunar eclipse reminds us how small we are in the vast universe. It connects people across continents, all looking up at the same moon, sharing the same moment. Events like this bring together science, culture, and wonder, showing us that while we may live in different nations, we share one sky. 1. Closing message. Narrator. So, on September 7th, step outside, look up, and witness history in the making. The blood moon will rise, and for just over an hour, the universe will put on one of its greatest shows. Don't miss it. In China, people once believed a dragon was swallowing the moon, and villagers would beat drums to scare it away. In India, ancient texts describe a demon named Rahu attempting to consume the moon during an eclipse. The Inca civilization believed a jaguar was attacking the moon, and they performed rituals to protect it. These stories may sound mystical today, but they show how deeply humans have always connected to the sky. 9. The science of eclipse prediction. Narrator. Did you know that astronomers can predict lunar eclipses thousands of years in advance? This is possible thanks to a repeating cycle called the Saros cycle. A Saros cycle lasts about 18 years, 11 days, and 8 hours. After each cycle, the Sun, Earth, and Moon return to nearly the same alignment, and another eclipse occurs. That's why we can forecast that not only will the world see a blood moon on September 7th, 2025, but also when and where the next ones will happen. 10. Upcoming lunar eclipses. After 2025. Narrator. If you miss this one, don't worry. The sky always offers another chance. The next total lunar eclipse will occur on March 14th, 2025, earlier in the year. After September, another total eclipse will take place in 2026, visible across the Americas. And in the 2030s, a series of dramatic blood moons will once again inspire sky watchers worldwide. Each eclipse is unique, influenced by Earth's atmosphere, weather, and location, meaning no two blood moons ever look exactly the same. 11. Reflection and human connection. Narrator, think about it. On September 7th, billions of people will look up at the same moon at the same time. From India to Africa, from the Middle East to Europe, humanity will pause to share a single cosmic experience. Moments like these remind us that the universe doesn't belong to any one nation or culture. It belongs to all of us. Closing words, narrator. So whether you're an astronomer, a photographer, a storyteller, or simply someone who loves the night sky, this eclipse is for you. Take the time to watch it, reflect on it, and remember, every blood moon is a reminder of how extraordinary our universe truly is.